I just found my new favorite chair. I am so excited that I was gifted this crisscross chair because I have a really hard time sitting normally. So in this video, I am going to unbox this, show you how easy it is to assemble, and put it to the test. Let's go. It comes really well packaged. Let me get this all out of the box. And here's everything you get in the box. It's really quite simple once you unpackage it. You really just have the base. It has a Velcro cushion here. You have the back, and then most of the work is actually in putting together the spinning bottom and hooking it to the chair. And it comes with all the hardware and the tool you need if you don't have tools on hand. And the instruction manual is really quite straightforward to understand. So let's put this together. First step is sliding the legs onto the center base, really as easy as sliding them in and screwing them on. And because I can, I'm going to use a power tool. Next up is popping in these casters. While they do have plastic exterior, they have metal throughout as well. Solid casters, and these really do just pop right in. The legs are put together. Now I just cover up where they all connect with this decorative cover and pop in the gas lift. And this really does just pop right in and you're good to go. Now for the seat itself, it does have a very clear label to show you which side is the front. So when you attach this cushion on, you know the zipper goes on the back. Really nice and straightforward. I'm already super excited to sit in this. But I need to add the bottom connection to this first. So I'm gonna flip it over and then add this piece on. It has very clear labeling to point to the front with the front. And then you just line it up and screw it in. And then finally, I add on the backrest and you can see that it just hooks on right there. And the final part is just to pop it right on. And it's good to go. So let's give this a try. That is so nice. The back is really supportive. It has lovely even spin. I am not feeling anything rickety. I'm not hearing any noises. Fantastic. And these armrests are amazing for a crisscross chair. They're completely solid until you pull them in, and then they become loose and you can have them go all the way down, either one. So if you wanted to lay all the way out, or maybe you just want to have one upright so you can sit like this to the side, or maybe you're crisscrossed, or maybe you just have one leg up. Whatever you want to do, you can make this chair work for you. This is incredible. This is fantastic. I also love that these armrests don't just go all the way down and back up. They do in fact have levels. Again, push it towards yourself and they'll go all the way down. And then you can hear where it snaps into place. It has multiple spots where I can have it snap depending on how I want to relax on it. So it really can be made to work for you. Now on top of the fully controllable armrests, this extra large seat and this supportive back, I'm really loving how supportive this back is. Even though it's a little low on me, I feel fully supported. I'm 5'11". It's definitely giving me what I need. This is also adjustable, so you can make it taller or shorter. So just hold this button and it'll go up quite a lot. My feet are not touching the ground now. That is really quite fun. Or I can make it go all the way back down or anywhere in between. This is one really nice crisscross chair, and I think you're going to love it.